What's up, kids? Too technical. I'm back again with another video today. I have some cases from Tudia, and these cases are for my Nothing Phone 1. I currently already have the blue one on my device, so they sent me over the blue, the black, clear, and some kind of lime green color, well, which is green. So we're just gonna unbox these and throw them on the device, and I'll let you see how I feel about them and how I like them. So first, let's start off with the blue one since it's already open. So pretty much I'm gonna take it off real quick. This case, you can bend this case, you know, it's rubberized, but it feels good. It's nothing cheap, and it says it has grips on the side. I don't know how well you can see that, but it has like a grip design here. Grip design here. It says Tudia. I don't know how well you can see that, but it does say Tudia right there. It says Tudia. Overall, this does look and feel nice. So pretty much you just place your device in like so. I put on the blue one because it goes with my it goes pretty good with my theme right now. So I'm going to give you a walk around the case. So at the top here, you have access to your, I think that is a mic, your mic. Then on these sides, this side, you have access to your power button. It is very nice and responsive. You see how quick that is going. It's very nice, very responsive. Then coming down here to the bottom, you do have access for all your ports at the bottom there. Your speaker, your USB charger port, and another mic as you can see. Then on this side here, you have access to your volume up and down buttons. As you can see, they're very nice, clicky and tactile, and you do get a okay size lip on the front, but I have nothing to worry about because it has a plastic screen protector on there. So if you want to place your phone flat down on the table, you should be good to go. You do have, I call these little feet here, as you can see. So say your phone fell down on the corner, you have some feet, so it is good and protected. Let's turn it around to the back. So you do get a nice cutout for your camera, and then you also get that nice little see-through for your glyph effect. So pretty much this has been the blue one from Tudia. And I want to say thank you, Tudia, for sending me out these cases, because I know there is not a lot of cases for this device. So Tudia always comes through sometimes when it's cases that, when it's a phone that's not known. Tudia is usually the one that comes out and makes cases for unknown devices or TCL devices. So now let's just get into this black one. Pretty much these are the exact same design, just different colors, same material, just different colors. So this is smoke black, I guess you want to say, and this is how the black one will look on the Nothing Phone 1. It has the exact same cutouts, and the buttons are clicky because it's the exact same case. So this is what the black looks like. Everything looks good and feels good. So now we're going to go over to the green. This is a nice color. Maybe if you had that white Nothing Phone 1, this would really look good with the white one. But let's just unbox it and see what it looks like on this device. So it's like a lime green see-through tint light. So let's put the case on like so. So pretty much this is what this will look like. I actually do like this color. You know, maybe I'll change up my wallpaper to match this colorful case. So pretty much let me test out the glyph effect real quick. I know you guys probably want to see that, so I'm going to go into my settings real quick. Let me go into my ringtones. Let's see what it looks like. So that's what it's going to look like. I don't have the sound on, but that's what it'll look like through these cases. Let's do another one. That is very cool. See, as you can see, that's what it looked like through these cases. So that's a nice touch. That's a nice touch. I like that. I like that. I like that. So now let's move on over to the clear one, and this will be the final color that I am going to show off. I might like this clear. I know this clear really would go good if you had the white nothing phone one, but it should still look good on this black one. So we're just going to open it up like so. And this is what that white looks like. It looks nice. You don't have to worry about these getting dirty, because they're like, these cases are almost like a, what's the word? Like a frost. And I actually like how that white goes on the nothing phone one, the black nothing phone one. So pretty much this is what you're looking at with all four of the cases. So you get your green, you get your blue, your black, and you get your clear. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.